Hello, I'm Surekha Raman, staying in Mumbai and worked as maths teacher for about 20 years. In my teaching period, it is observed that even 10th standard students are also not able to solve simple arithmetic. Why thought why it is like that? What could be the reason behind that? I asked several times in my mind, and at last I got an answer. The concept clearing or understanding level of learning is necessary for maths problem solving. I would like to explain this with a simple example. Like that, so many examples are there in my teaching period, but one I would like to explain. When I was correcting 10th standard algebra paper, one student has written square root of 49 equal to 23. What does it mean? The child knows square root of 4 is 2 and square root of 9 is 3. That he is written. But he does not know the concept of place value and square root. So like that, so many examples I found in my teaching period. So now I thought of planning to start a video serially which consists of number of maths basic lessons. It is not for completing particular syllabus or for a particular standard, but I feel it will be useful for all the students of standard 1 to standard 10th for improving their maths problem solving skills. So this video can succeed only with the support of the viewers, because no learning takes place without mutual interaction. So after seeing the video lesson, you children please write the comments as whatever doubts you are having the particular subject, so that I can see it and clear it before the next video or before the next lesson. Also, please give the suggestions for improving my teaching so that the learning process become a successful for you. So let me start the lesson. So first lesson is that of, and one more thing I want to say, the video I named as Mathline because as it suggests, the name line can continue. It is a never ending. So I also wish this video should be never ending like a line. Okay, let me start. So we know that numbers are the building blocks of mathematics, and mathematics is the study of numbers or science of numbers or technology to handle numbers. So first we will learn about numbers. So for convenience, the numbers are grouped into many. So First, numbers is an essential factor in our day-to-day life. We start with number, we start our life with number, goes with number, ends with number. For counting objects, measuring time, see how many members are there in your friends, how many friends are there, how you calculate the percentage, what is the mark obtained in the exam, everything related to number, using numbers only. So the initial use, the first use is nothing but counting objects. So when we start counting, it start with the number 1, then 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. What is this etc? It goes on. We can unlimited numbers, and these counting numbers are represented in figures using the digits 1, put comma, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This much only I am writing. Then put dots. This dots means it goes on, no end. And the first number is 1, and we know that it go on adding, go on increasing the value from left to right. So 2 is greater than 1, 3 is greater, more objects are added, more things are added. And these, whatever I have written, these are nothing but digits to represent numbers. It is different in different languages. Clear? So, which is the smallest number? That is 1. So, can you find the largest number? It is not possible to find the largest number. There is no end in this series. And these numbers are used to count the numbers. Starting from 1. They are also called, the counting numbers are also called natural numbers. So I will write here natural numbers. So what are natural numbers? Natural numbers are counting numbers, and it is represented using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, etc. So if you observe till 9, only single digit is used, and the value of that number is the digit itself. Value of 1 is 1 itself. Which is the digit? 1. Only single digit is there. So 1, the value of 1 is 1 itself. 2 itself. 3 itself. 4 itself. 9. Till 9 it is true. But when it reaches the 2-digit number, again the 1 is repeating. Again 1 is repeating, but the value of 1 is not 1. That I will explain later. That is nothing but place value. Now we will go to the next group of numbers. And these natural numbers are divided into 2 parts. These only, for convenience, we are divided into 2 parts. The first part is odd number, and the second part is even numbers. So how to take out odd numbers from the natural numbers? We start from the 1 and then take out every alternate. 1, 3, then 5, then 7, then 9, then afterwards it will be 11, etc. So we will write the odd numbers, odd, spelling O-D-D. 1, then 3, then 5, then 7, then 9, then I am writing etc. No end. This is nothing but the we have taken from the natural numbers only. Now similarly, even numbers we are taken beginning with 2. I put double line, then after 2 every alternate 4, 6, 8, 10, then afterwards it will be 12, 14, etc. Okay, we will write the even numbers. 2, put comma in between. 4, 6, 8, 10, etc. So odd numbers, even number. We taken out odd number and even number ending remaining in natural number? No. So odd numbers and even numbers are together called natural numbers. This odd and even are the parts of natural numbers. It's only. They are not different. Natural numbers are divided into 2 parts, odd and even number. And these are also similarly never ending. We cannot find the largest odd number or largest even number. So remember that odd and even number together forms natural number. Now you know what is the meaning of consecutive numbers. Thus nearby numbers. So here in natural number the difference between the two near consecutive numbers will be 1. 1 unit is increasing from left to right. The difference between 2 and 1 more added to 1, 2, then 3, then 4. 1 difference is the consecutive numbers. So in odd numbers and even number you can observe that the difference is 2. 2 units are added to get the next odd number. After 1, 3. 3 how you will get? Up to 3. Similarly 4, 5. 2 you have to add to get the next odd number. Similarly that is of even number. So clear? Natural number, odd number, even number and consecutive numbers. How to? Can you say what are the 5 consecutive natural numbers? Which are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 consecutive odd numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 5 consecutive even number. 2, 4. First, that I have to say. First 5 consecutive even number. 2, 4. Simply 5 consecutive even number you cannot name. I have to say first 5 consecutive even numbers. And you can also find the next even number or next odd number in the series. So what will be the next odd number after 13? We can say that it is 50. 13, 14, 15. 50. The second number from 13. See what is the next number? Next even number after 24. It is nothing but 26. This way you can get the next number. So understood these 3 series? Now we will come to the more groups. There are many groups of numbers. These are initial groups and we know that the digits are used to represent the numbers and same digits. Now see the natural, when you write the natural number 10, after 10 what it is? 11, 12. When you reach 10, one new digit is used, right? Then afterwards same thing. 11, 12, 13, 14 until no other new digits. So which are the digits used? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 digits are used to write the natural numbers. So you may have the doubt from where 0 digit is come. Is it number? Yes or no? So when you say if nobody is there in the house, if anybody is there in the house, no, nothing. No, if anything is left in your tiffin box, nothing, empty. So to note the empty, we use the number 0. and that digit is also a number, but it is not included in the natural numbers. Remember, the counting starts from 1 only. So where the 0 is placed in the group of numbers, so we have to require another group, that is nothing but whole numbers. W H O L E, whole numbers. So whole numbers, when 0 number is also added to the natural numbers, but where 0 is placed, we know that the value of 0 is less than the smallest natural number. In listing the natural numbers, we are from left to right, it is in the increasing order. So we have to place, can you say where to place? 0 should be placed before 1 or to the left of 1. So how you will write whole numbers? First we will write 0, then 1, then remaining all same. No difference, 0 and natural numbers 1, 2, 3, etc. So what are whole numbers? 0 and natural numbers together are called whole numbers. Whole means complete. The group is complete. So not more are the whole numbers are 0 and natural numbers. All the natural numbers. So here also you cannot find the final number. It is never ending and unlimited, uncountable. But we know that the smallest whole number is 0. So remember, compare this. 0 is not a natural number. Hence 0 is not an odd number. 0 is not an even number. But all the natural numbers are also whole numbers, and all the odd numbers are also whole numbers. All the even numbers are also whole numbers. More numbers are adding to the group. So first group, counting numbers or natural numbers. Second group, odd numbers. Third group, even numbers. Next group, whole numbers. Clear? And again, more groups we have to study. These natural numbers, we know that the value is increasing. Go on adding one object or one unit. We can say unit. We don't know which object we are counting. So from left 1 we are adding. Adding which sign? Plus sign. We are plus 1. So these natural numbers are also called positive numbers. What they are called? Another name because of its characteristics. We are giving natural numbers as positive numbers. What it is? Positive. What are positive numbers? These natural numbers are also called positive numbers. No need of lifting again and again. Same it is. They are also called because one unit is go on adding from left to right. And positive, but big. Now whole number 0 is there. 0 is not a positive number. Now corresponding to every positive, what is opposite of positive? Negative. There are negative numbers also. Corresponding to every positive numbers. Which are positive? We are not showing the sign plus sign. 1, 2, they are all positive numbers. Corresponding to every positive numbers. There are negative numbers. But negative numbers, when you list, we have to list from right to left. Because here 1 is subtracting. Instead of adding the negative numbers, one is subtracting. So first you have to write minus 1. Minus 1, from where we have to start? From right side. Then next minus 2, minus 3, and left side it is etc. Clear? And here go on subtracting instead of go on adding. So the negative number starts with the greatest number. Greatest, instead of positive number start with the smallest number. Here negative number start with the greatest number. Here minus 2 is smaller than minus 1, which is we can say which is the largest negative number. That is nothing but minus 1. Here in the case of negative numbers, we cannot say which is the smallest one. We cannot find. So clear? So remember that the 0 is not included in positive number or negative number. 0 is neither positive nor negative. So different group of numbers we have explained here, and all these groups we can show using figures in a line. That line is called number line. What it is? Number line. So we will show that. Then it will be, in order to avoid your confusion about all the group, here it is simple, it is nothing is complex. So first, what is number line? Draw a line. On seeing the values of the number, I told you the natural numbers go on adding one unit from left to right, and 0 is placed to the left of 1, and then to the left of 0 we have to place negative number. So we cannot find the middle of the line. Line is never ending on both the sides. So approximately whatever line you have drawn, approximately middle you place 0. And to the right of 0, which number? Positive number. First you have to divide, because counting things, all equal units, counting units. Divide the line into number of small parts. That is the number of object, what it is, whatever units. Whether it can be pencil, it can be pen, it can be chocolate, whatever. Unit, we will say geometrically units. Similarly here also, from to the left also. Equal parts. In this figure, this is 1. Your 1 is this distance. So after 0, natural number, to the right of 0, 1, then go on adding 1 unit, 2, 3, 4, here also etc. Positive sign not necessary to write. No sign means it is positive. And here you have to write the sign. Before 0, minus 1, then minus 2, then minus 3, minus 4, more etc. So this line is called number line. So how many groups of whole numbers are there? Natural numbers are there, positive numbers are there, negative numbers are there. All these numbers are written using digits, right? Single or double digit. These all numbers, that is positive numbers, 0 and negative numbers, together called integers. So one big group of number we got. Clear? So integers all positive numbers, 0 and negative numbers. That is, natural numbers are integers, odd numbers are integer, even numbers are integers, 0 is an integer, whole numbers are integers, negative numbers are integers. So all this together, the group of numbers is called integer, and their value we will study later in next class. Thank you.